my fashion show for the girls because they want one for the mom because she passed out. So
Passed out?
Yes, so I'm she's mom now. I gotta go back to my house and get something for the kids.
Okay.
Bye, neighbor.
Bye, neighbor.
Bye.
Okay, I got like 4 more colors to try because none of these were really speaking to me.
That color looks beautiful. This color is, I don't know. Can I help? Thank you. Copy me. Mom, here's you.
You're dripping on me. It's okay. I don't like these pants anyways. So we painted the wall. Jordan and June stained all the wood slats. Sanded, stained, while me and Hank were at ninja class and making dinner. And
Living my best life.
Just like that.
Living my best life.
There you go.
This house is now a litany. Things I thought I'd never be. Man who has opinions on and out of me.
Dad, just like this. That's something that
Perfect. Yeah.
Crushing fame and sold out shows.
It's like they just.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
We're gonna have these like dumb things that you can put in the wet.
Mommy, is Hank done ninja class?
No, I have to go back.
Are you just stuck in? Yeah. Dad, can I help? Yeah, you can.
You can grab these.
Thank you.
Grab by the sides.
Dude, chubby. 17.
it's time to hang the slats. We're using a heavy-duty liquid nails, and we couldn't get the indoor stuff because they were totally out at Lowe's, but that's all right. And then we're gonna use hidden nails.
Grab a spacer. Let's just do one at a time. Don't start gluing all of them, I don't think.
I'm lightheaded. Oh, isn't it eat a banana?
No eating allowed.
Bye.
What are you doing? See, I think the pre-cut skin method is the way to go. And yeah, we might end up wasting one board or so. It's totally worth it to have extra so you can just keep rolling. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Please don't tell me I cut a bunch the wrong height.
Here, I'll scrape that. Man, it's hard doing stuff being pregnant.
Oh no. I can relate. If this is the only one that's short, I could pop that one off and replace it.
Oh, the white is really beautiful too.
I'm gonna show you the other ones. I should braid one in your hair.
That'd be nice.
Look at it. You can look in the mirror.
Okay.
I love you. Want me to do like this color? I will put it on your head. Couldn't fit it on you.
Thanks for the help.
Back to gluing.
Back to school.
Oh.
Back to school. To prove to Dad that I'm not a fool. Ooh, look at that. I like a glove. Come on.
We all fall down, we get banged up, but the scars show what we're made of. Don't you look back, lift your head up, shake the dust off, tell me what you're made of.
I'm not ready for it, dude. You're crying out loud.
Can't hear you breath in our lungs, beating in our heart. Lift up your voice, you got something to say. It's a brand
Last one.
it's a brand new
Whoop, whoop. Chicken.
Chicken, chicken, chicken
We
head.
did it. We did it, you guys.
Anna, just chill. Okay? Gosh. You're having a massive coronary over there.
What, honey?
When I'm a mom, I want to take care of my kids.
Oh, yeah.
You want to put a headband in you? But you could wear it when you're walking.
Okay, Junie, I'm coming in with a ladder, so you're gonna have to watch out.
Oh, okay. Good luck, Juna.
Ooh, that one's cool.
Uh-huh.
That's like Madonna.
No, it's white and it's a Madonna.
Oh, yes.
I didn't show you this one.
I love that one. I just think the red is so pretty sometimes.
Red is my favorite color too. This is really, difficult girl. You know, I had a sister named Rapunzel.
Oh, really?
Next
That's
to
fun.
Rapunzel's not mixed up. Dad, me and Rapunzel are having a camp out.
You are?
Yeah, and that's my tent over there. Right there.
That's so
right
fun.
at home. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Oh, you're doing-
Have fun, Rapunzel.
And you're grabbing the ones that are labeled right side of heat pump.
Shut up.
Yeah, I need to trim.
I'm cleaning all my books. I can just sit them.
Oh, shit.
Don't break that one, honey.
I didn't break the last one.
Oh, I know, but that one you're cramming against the wall.
I'm going to put this one in your hand. Mom,
That bow's not right for me.
no, I can put another one in.
You're so
I
cute.
can put another one.
Okay.
No, like your size, like a big one. I'm putting a lot of bows in your hair so you could walk.
Thank you.
Sad. That song, remember Boom from Sonic?
Yeah.
I'm watching Sonic right now, and like right when I turned it on, it was over. But right when I turned it on, that song it turned on, or I think it was Speed Me Up. No,
Oh, nice.
yeah, it was Speed Me Up.
Oh, I like Speed Me Up too.
Yeah.
That'd be so tight to be able to invoice you with like max payable. We should probably sign contracts before we start these projects.
I'll just bill you every day that I'm uncomfortable for carrying your baby.
Chicken, chicken, chicken head.